You guys, welcome back. Banana leaves are used often for wrapping various desserts and savory meals in Southeast Asian cooking. They impart an incredible floral flavor and aroma to food. Where I live, I can only find frozen banana leaves. This is how I process them for cooking. Cut them into at least 7-inch pieces. Wipe both sides well with a damp cloth to remove any dust. On low heat, pass the leaves through. It will begin to develop a deep green color like this. This helps to tighten the connections between the leaf grains and prevents them from tearing too easily. This is the tough rib of the banana leaf. Cut it off to make wrapping easier. They are now ready to be used for cooking. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button, and I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.